Hello everyone, today we have a 2013 Mercedes-Benz C-250 with rear-wheel drive. These engines are beautiful and this one's running beautifully, so I'm just going to go ahead and close this up and take you for a tour. You see that this does have a lot of updated LEDs, and if they appear to be flickering, that doesn't do that to the human eye. That's a refresh rate of the camera that does that. See, it does have alloy wheels and a sunroof. It does have a black leather interior and carbon fiber accents, doors and the dash. 3 driver presets. Here are your seat controls right here. And I will upload some still photos as well. Right here's your VIN. You got your lights, and then is your trip computer right here. Okay, and you'll see right here that it has 114,361 miles on this vehicle. And then your push to talk, your stereo controls, and here's your key fob and ignition key. And over here you have the stereo, and you can control that with this down here. And there's your navigation. And from there you can look at traffic, your phone, video, system. If you want to see the backup camera, you go ahead and put it in reverse. Okay, there's your backup camera. Your mirrors will adjust. And as you come down here, you can jump with these buttons directly to whatever you'd like. To the radio, and if you want to connect your phone via Bluetooth, all you have to do is hit TEL, and then here's your disk drive right here. So you do have AM, FM, and Bluetooth. Coming down here you have your comfort controls, heated front seats, additional power supply down here, your shifter, again carbon fiber throughout, and then your cup holders, and the carbon fiber in the dash is absolutely gorgeous. Coming up here you have your map reading lights and your controls for your sunroof. And that about wraps it up for this Mercedes on the interior. It does have a Harman Kardon sound system. This vehicle does have a clean title. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.